Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. And guess what time it is? You see, it's your birthday. It's my birthday, too. One day shy. Don't forget about birthday bingo, too. All right. This is day 6 from the gift from Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter. Okay, I'm over that now. Okay, I've had it out of my system. So, this is day 6. Also, she sent little things in the box. This is actually was supposed to go with my Van Gogh doll. She didn't know which one I could use for him because I'm going to make him look like he's painting. So she thought I could use this, so thank you. And this is day 6, and this one is a whoopee cushion. That'd be funny because it's small, it's thin, and I can't figure out what's in this package. If it's a whoopee cushion, I'm going to die laughing. You know I'm going to lose it if it's a whoopee cushion. Let's see. Day 6. I don't think it's a whoopee cushion. Oh! Woo! It's bling! It's bling! It's bling sticker sheet. They wanted $8.99 for this originally, and clearance for $5. Who would pay that? I know Sabrina didn't pay that. She probably got it in her Michael's box. This is pretty. But who in their right mind would actually buy this for $8.99? And then they think a clearance for $5 would be like crazy. That's just crazy. This is cool. I want to look at this. I'm not saying Sabrina's crazy or anything, but I'm telling you, if I walked in a store and it's Recollection, so it's Michael's, I saw that hanging and they wanted $8.99 for that, so technically $9 for this, I'd be like, those people are smoking something. And then, on clearance for $5, they're still smoking something. I'll give you $1. That's why I ended up in a $4 or $5 box, probably, which is fine. I'm cool with that. So it's one little thing. Oh, I bet you you could wrap it, but I ain't gonna wrap that because I could cut whenever I wanted. But do you get what I'm saying? Who would actually pay $9 for this? I mean, there's people out there, but that's crazy. You can tell a budget crafter that's on a budget that works with what they can afford. If I walked into Michael's and I was looking for something like this, I still wouldn't walk out for it with paying $9 for this. And even $5. I may pay $1 because I'd be like, okay, I'll go over to Dollar Tree and see what Dollar Tree has similar to it. And all it is a bunch of little bling, and it's got this sticker backing. This is pretty though, but you can cut. If you're really good, you can cut. Awesome! Thank you, Sabrina. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, so sorry, my dinger went off. So, I just see who was messaging me. Alright, so I want to thank you, Sabrina. Remember, tomorrow night, guys, 7 o'clock Central Standard Time is birthday bingo on my channel. I hope you guys come in and celebrate with me. Again, thank you so much, Sabrina. I love it, love it, love it. And I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. And I already got plans for this. Bye!